First, make sure you get the most recent version of the add-on from GitHub. Download the zip file and install it in Preferences. You can then find the add-on in the option panel under Extended Tools. Select the collision object and click on Collide. In my experience, a higher friction value avoids clipping issues. Add a plane and subdivide it a few times. Enable Cloth and then Self-Collision. By enabling Continuous, you can grab vertices in edit mode to manipulate the cloth in real time. Increase the gravity to make the cloth fall down. Disable Continuous and then apply Visual Geometry to Mesh. Finally, use proportional editing to fix any clipping issues.